Hi, I'm Geoff Dodd in New Zealand. I know a lot of affiliate millionaire trainers, and I really want you to meet this one, John Crestani. He's the top affiliate marketing trainer.
So I am going to show you in the next 2 minutes how you can make your first $1,000 check working from home, get it sent directly to your inbox. Now, if you're wondering who the heck am I to be talking about this stuff, that is ClickBlank Platinum Award for earning over $1 million in a year. And this is what I'm currently making every single day. That's $11,000 if I could highlight it. $8,000, $20,000, $11,000 in a day online. Now you need to know 3 things in order to get your first $1,000 check sent to your home. You need to know first is you can't be doing anything that requires technical skills. I'm assuming here that you don't know how to program a website or you don't know how to do that sort of video editing sort of stuff. You need to start with a business that is not technical if you want to make your first $1,000 check. Otherwise, you will create obstacles, okay? Number 2 is you need to do something that doesn't require a significant investment or a lot of money or any money whatsoever to get started making money. Because if you are spending money before you are making money, then it's a much more difficult situation. So don't do that. And the third thing is, well, before I go into the third thing, let me emphasize about not spending a lot of money when you start. Because when I got started, I met a mentor. His name was Kelly Felix, and I was actually in Hollywood. I was at a bar when I met this guy, a multi-millionaire. I had heard about him on internet forums, and I asked him, I said, how do I make money online? And he said, hey, he said, shoot me an email and I'll show you how you can earn commissions. And it's called affiliate marketing. All this training we'll be going over is how you can use a computer to earn money that goes directly into your bank account without talking to anybody and making this sort of money. And let me actually show you my actual stats right here of what I'm doing every single day. So this is just one of my accounts, and what you'll see here, this is the amount of money I'm earning every single day, and you'll see there's a surprising amount of consistency here. $6,498 on Tuesday, $3,828 on Monday, $5,795 on Sunday. And here you can see these are the amounts. This is the amount I'm making each month from my business. You'll see last month I made $339,579. Pretty cool, right? This month I've already on track. I'm almost $299,000. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. Check this out. That's real money, but what's more interesting is I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do it on this live training. Now, if you're watching this training, if you're watching this video, you're one of very few people. Because what I'm going to be teaching on this, first off, this is for a very limited time. And this is only for a very limited number of students. The big education companies don't want me revealing this information to you. The big education companies don't want you to know that you can actually become successful without having an overpriced education. And the corporations don't want you to know that you can actually earn a living without working a job and being confined to an hourly wage, without being confined to a monthly salary. That you can make enough money to be financially free, working for yourself. Imagine how amazing it would be to be able to spend more time with your family instead of having to drive, to wake up an alarm each day, to drive to work, to deal with people at work that you wouldn't even be friends with in real life. Imagine how great it would be if you could quit that. Imagine how great it would be if maybe you're retired and you could earn extra money to supplement your income and live a more full, a more experienced life, travel. You can do all this when you have an online business to support you. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to talk to anybody to do sales. You don't need a social media following. You don't need to hire employees. All you need is a computer and internet connection to do this. Now, if you want to sign up for this training, we're taking limited numbers of students. If you're seeing this, you want to register immediately because this will be going fast. You can register. There should be a link either above or below or to the side of this video. Make sure you sign up for this training and you will be given more information about when your training time is so you can get started.